Yeah, here is Skims Educator introducing to you our Creators Hunt Competition 2022. Creators Hunt is a year-long project work that is undertaken by pupils, students, and teachers. Remember, it is part of our curriculum. Now, the Skims Educator is organizing Creators Hunt as a solution to some of the problems or issues in education. We want to use the project to sensitize educators on participatory teaching and learning, especially. And over there, we engage learners in a year-long project works, and then also organize annual education conferences and award ceremonies that help to deepen understanding and improvement in the system of critical thinking in our schools. The project areas, when you undertake a project, you will be dealing with ICT, which is computing, arts and creativity, critical thinking, scientific invention. So some candidates invent certain scientific products. And then you also have the languages, depending on the project topic that you are handling. For 2022, preschool, we have positions and places of things, which is simply called prepositions. Then we have quantities and counts, which is simply called numbers book. So preschoolers are working on these two projects. In the lower primary, we have our beautiful environment, our community, our world, healthy life. And then upper primary and JHS have these subjects, topics. How Creators Hunt works. One, you are supposed to register as a candidate to undertake group or individual projects for at least one term, or supervise a project works with periodic seminars for project candidates. We also conduct final assessment of project works for awards. And then we do exhibits and presentation of project outputs. Grades for projects form part of terminal SBA records. That is supposed to be on your terminal report. So if you are part of this exercise or project, the scores per term are recorded on your terminal reports for the children, the candidates. Here are some actions taking place. Yeah, you can see this is working time, how project works are organized. We have field works, and then we have presentations. You can see some artworks being done, and so many. You can also see some scientific inventions under play over here. You see some map works at the first place over there. So that is a picture, a brief picture of what it entails. Creators Hunt schedules for 2022. Registration will be closing in September 2022. And final project briefings will be done. As soon as you register, we brief you. So final project briefings will be done based online and school-based in September. And then our first project output inspections will be in October, and then the second one will be on November 2022. The final project works evaluation will be in December 2022 for the final awards. Now, this is the awards categories. Individual projects, student projects, best to third best creator will be receiving a certificate and then a laptop. So just go through, you can see we have group students projects, we have teachers group or individual projects, and then school-based project coordinators. If you're a coordinator, a teacher in the school, and you are coordinating a project, and you happen to be best or second or third, you are also given certificates to recognize you, notepad, internet router. What are you supposed to do? as a director or a CISO or a head of school or NGO, register all or selected schools in your area of jurisdiction or selected candidates to undertake individual or group projects in our critical thinking faculty class. Candidates from your schools can also register directly or personally, especially teachers. Now, if you're a religious body, association, traditional authority, or any other body, you can sponsor schools or candidates to partake in the competition. Remember, it is part of our curriculum. This is the 2019 award ceremony, very, very small. Here is that of 2018. You can see some smiles. Yeah. And this is the first one. This was the first one, sorry. And yeah, we have our training and assessment. These are some other things we do at Skims Educator. We have school-based insets, training for teachers. And then we have training workshops and conferences, as you can see. And we have the critical thinking faculty that we are talking about now. On your left, you can see the critical thinking project works presentation. And the children are busily presenting and defending their works. Here are our supporters. You can be one also. Precious Heart Montessori, Rock of Stars, Queen Sadia, Talent Tapping, Ruby Joe. We have a special person, Clement Mensah, and the sister. Great Boogie, our bankers also. Skims Print, that's our printings. NASOSA 04, and then Development Planning 09, KNUST. These are some supporters of what we are doing. For inquiries, you can call or WhatsApp the lines here. Our email addresses are also available. Don't forget that we are on Facebook, which is www.facebook.com/SKIMS, all caps, and small s, so Skims S, and then you locate us. Good, so you can join us online here for to register or to also our Facebook account, as you can see. Thank you very much for staying through this presentation. Thank you. So I hope that you are going to pay attention to this announcement or advert and call us to register. Once again, let me post our contacts for you to, so you can call us or you send us email or you go to our Facebook page and then you can have your registration done. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post it or send it to us. Thank you very much.